bright and happy like the birds and bees. Pack it up, pack it right. Lunchbox ready, oh what a sight. Napkins, snacks, and a fruit or two. Healthy and tasty just for you. Napkin, wipe your little hands. Keep them clean while playing in the sands. Snacks, oh snacks, crunchy and sweet. Something fun and yummy to eat. Pack it up, pack it right. Lunchbox ready, shiny and bright. Water bottle, sip, sip, hooray. Ready for a fun-filled day. Peel a banana, munch on a pear. Lunchbox treasures everywhere. Little hands, little bites. Eating healthy feels so right. Pack it up, pack it tight. Lunchbox essentials out of sight. Ready for school, ready to play. Fuel for learning all the way.